day, South Africa. Welcome to day 2. Today we are in Soshanguve, block WW. This journey still continues. My name is still Lerato Dipele, Isibongo, my surname. Today we are in Soshanguve, block WW. Kajenu rikwa remogolo. Ga re itse gore bona a ba tsere se se fensefane. Nkomo or khomo. A re tseneng re kgone go utlwa story. Alamogela moshong ya rona ya Isibongo my surname. Leina la ka ke Lerato Dipele. Mo kajeno fa ke fama. Ke tlile kwa goma.
Kwa khomo.
Le wena o kgomo. So wena le ntate AD le bo kgomo. Matsapa di a tsaya kae?
Matsapa ke a tsara re bo nkomo pila re na re hodile re utlwa re ba re khomo.
Then ga diragalang.
Nna ka mkhorupileng ba re papaka na go botsa dipasa kona boom spray ta o tsa pasa na go lela spade go mafesa na pila ba misoro o ma a re ke swansa ke nkomo ba ra nkomo o khomo
o mafesa
ba re wa go lela spade na go la metlhengela khala go bona o kola kana ke khaletse na pila ba ro ba mo kwala ba ro khomo onko
ba gana se sang komo
ka
gore na bua space so gona gore sententle go huma first ke bona be ditse mphoso ba tshentshile sefane e ne se maikello gage
ka mphar a tlhalositseng sa staraka ka re botsa rena o ile itse so ka sefane
ana ya nong ke dikgotlo tse fentse le kopana le tsona ka sefane se
ke tsa eng tshwana le mo di relative mo crownel di funeral rena le batho ona ba nna o kra ba re bitsa nkomo rena re ipitsa kgomo ona ba maybe mo matlape kra ba tlhokofetse mo matlape kwa dileng nkomo mara rena mo dipaseng re kgomo
enene bana ba itse gore sentlentle ga se kgomo ke nkomo
ba itse ntse ba lla ba re change
okay enene selela le ka go ya home affairs le lo change sefane
wa ileng ke a buta ka ko mamelodi ke ena change
ke
nko
successfully so and then mama ene go na le sengwe sa batlang go se bua
a le nna ke maketse ka taba ya khomo ka re ntse le la vela ke itse hore ke nkomo le nna re tlhaba go tletla di
wa ba se makale ngwana o
ka makala le ngwana ka wa last bono go re sefane se fa khomo ha se batle a se batla rena ne go tšhetsetsa ko nkomo o rata sefane se sa nkomo.
All right, and then let's come to language barrier. A ke re sentlentle originally le nkomo ga le kgomo bana ba le ba godisetsa mo eng go bua Sepedi Setswana Setswana go bua ba kgone bua ga ba kgatlhane le ba nkomo
a re bua Setswana re tlhakane mara ba nkomo ne ba o ne le problem ke ka mkhoko botsana a re tletse o kra ba ka re wa itse ka re tswa gore batho ba go ba kana le na le ba kgomo
ga le batho ba mo refo
ba ra di fe ba kana le na le ba kgomo le ba nkomo
and then ya ga mama bua gore o mennyane ka rata sefane se sa nkomo ga le bone go le mosola gore le boele ko se le sa nkomo sele or le tlontse le tswelela ka sona se sa kgomo se
re nyaka sa nkomo
ai go kopore o itse keng re tšhentšhetse ko nkomo le rona re tshwane le bonkomo ba
le tshwane le batho ba bathong itse ke ya I know ya tlhaloganyesega and then ya ka a ke re bonkomo ke Matsonga ne or ke Machanga
ba ipitsa Mandao
so ba se itse bana gone ba nong gore go na le puo e nngwe e buiwang except e ya kgomo e
ba itse silo bana.
Okay, so basically you are concerned about the generation breakdown. That is the problem now. All right. No. So Rona from this show, what are you hoping to achieve at the end of this? Yeah. That is the only thing that you will be needing from Home Affairs. Awa mogi o ikutlwetse ga se kgomo ke nkomo
ke nna taba tsa kgomo o a itseng gore re bahang koma a re itse gore re bahang komo bjang.
And like surname e ya nkomo nna ke itse.
Welcome back, Mzansi. Clearly the surname is giving this family a lot of problems. We were just at the younger brother. Right now we are in block XX, Shangube. We're going to be talking to the elder brother and the elder sister, trying to figure out how did the confusion start. Let's go in. From Miss Bongo, my surname. Okay, from Isibongo, my surname. All right. Mama. Welcome to our show, Isibongo, my surname. Ke kopa le introduce ba bobedi.
Nna ke Siski Nkomo, ke ngwana kwa Nkomo, ka nyalwa kwa.
Ka fiela ke ra le nya go fiela.
Nna ke Mswazi Stevenson Nkomo.
All right.
Swami hana jwale re berekisa kgomo.
Okay.
But the original surname ya rona ke Nkomo.
All right. Where did the confusion start? Between Nkomo le Kgomo. Go senyegile kae?
Confusion e startile ka nako ela ya apartheid.
All right.
Papa ka o holetse go ntate mogolo wa hae ha bo mama hae ne.
Okay.
So itse e tshwantsa a yo tsa pasa ko na Boomspruit na bolela speech. So a fitla go itse di tsela tsa di dompas le ba ngwala le nationality ya mo language ba ngwala Shangane a ngwadisa hore na ke Nkomo le batla mo ba reng go ke botlhoma ngwala Shangane ba re no you are not Shangane o mopedi a ona mtshangane wa ka bolelang Sepedi. So
okay,
so nambile ba change.
Yes,
nambile ba change Nkomo ela ba kwala Kgomo go tla ile re bjano gore ra nna different and then rangwana ka le ena yo tsa pasa ka pasa papaka le rakhadi ya ka o mo last bona bo papaka a bitsa ka paka a tsa pasa ka pasa papana. So 3 of them mo baneng ba ba close to 17.
Yeah.
Ba bitsa ka gore kwana go ha bo papaka ne ba le 16.
All right.
And then 16 minus 3 go sala 13. 13 ya bitsa ka Nkomo. 3 ya bitsa ka Kgomo.
So wena mo gare ga tlhakatlhakano yotlhe wena o wa tsaya sefeng sa
nna ka tsaya a ke re go hudise ke hudise ke Kgomo e leng yena ntate o Kgomo e thomileng ka yena.
All right.
Ra bitsa ka Kgomo.
All right. And then ka gore morago ga le le mo gore go na le tlhakatlhakano le kile la boela go boma fesela le ka go bakanya sefane sa lena.
Ai a ra boela ha ra boela and then re tshaba le nako ela puso ya bophutatswana he ba o busetsa ba re o ka re motshangane tshwantse re o nna giana wa iutlwisisa rena bile ra wa le rena re tla shwa ona mo because re beletso ra bitsa ka Kgomo ra seifa ntwe eo
ke tla le botsapotso ke steng ke buditse bra edikere. What are the challenges that you are coming across with these different surnames?
Kwetse gona bana a shinke re nne le di challenges. Mare as time goes on ke bona gore re tlo nna le di challenges because di tlogolo tsa rena di tlo nna different o nna le Kgomo le Nkomo le ba tlhakana ba sa itsane o latla ba ra wana ke Nkomo na ke Kgomo o la a rena ke Kgomo na ke Nkomo wa bona re bjang
go tlile gape abuti ana bua gore le na le folklore le kopane as the relatives again once a month. So ke Nkomo le Kgomo gape gona ka fo
ke yona one of the challenges re na le yona because bo ramoholo
ba ba nnang Bovarambata le Severskil ba bitsa ka nkomo. And then rona ka mo ko Tladistad ko Legral bana ba papa rona ke re tswa re le Legral re bitsa ka kgomo. So rena le family society ya nkomo, burial society. So he re ngwadisa mo always re ngwadisa ka nkomo, but the ID tsa rona di bitsa ka kgomo. So honor ke one of the challenges if re na le family bo ramholo bo rangwane ke bonkomo. And then sometimes o ba le problem your friend o kra bitsa khomo ore mo, and then ka mo na le bo ramholo ha o na le di brutes ha bana bo ramholo e ba somehow ore wa no bitsa ka khomo, and then when your friends ba bitsa le khomo. That's one of the challenges tse re ka reng le kopana le tsona.
Engwe ya di challenge like ho tlhokofetse like my brother wa tlang ka morao hanga ko lebitleng la hae o ngwadilwe ka kgomo le tapa instead of kgomo. And then le di certificate tsa rena go radiwa tswa ka kgomo wa e utlwisisa. And then o kry le gore maybe e tshwanetse ba ntirele letlapa mo and then but maybe batho di tlogolelenyana tsa rena e di tla di tlo checka ba checka ba le ba kgomo ba nkomo wa utlwisisa ba le ba nkomo he ba tla ba tlo checka ba checka ba nkomo ba kgomo. Yes,
okay, some of the challenges tse le kopana le tsona
re tlo nna le tsona she be re ne le tsona but re tlo nna le tsona.
All right. And then from Home Affairs, what are you hoping to achieve with this show, on this show?
Yeah, for now, na le my brother, we are left three ba bitsang ka kgomo. Ke Thabo, ke John, ke nna. And then the elder brother na Mamelodi, no o se tshintshitse o bitsa ka nkomo ene ke Thai, ya Thai. So rona re le three ke rona re se challenge because my sister already o bitsa ka Sabo Bohadi. So it means na le this two brothers really three tshwantse re go Home Affairs, but we never tried Home Affairs o se change. I think ke reng re ka se achieve ke it tla ba le influence this show it tla ba le influence ya Home Affairs. Go bontsha gore no this thing ya kgomo ha re tshware pila ne. And then the original name ya rona ke kgomo ke mane ke nkomo. So this show it will help us a lot. Gore ke ka ba le influence e ka motivate Home Affairs mene le di grievances tsa rona, di problems tsa rona gore di be sorted out gore boele ko original name ya ntate mo ba rona ile nkomo.
All right. And then ya nong ka gore le mo showng ya rona ke se le ka se bolelang ba bogedi ko lapeng gore le bona ba tletle ba kgone go tlhaloganya gore at the end of the day it doesn't only affect you, it affects the next generation. I get to bua ka bana le bo ditlogolo yalo ya go tlasa ke se le ka bo bolelang ba bogedi
sarka se bolelang ba bogedi go gore if o bitsa ka sefane se seng sa hao or se se misspelled,
yes,
ina le a very great effect thata mo baneng le ditlogolo tsa hao because of as time goes on generation to generation yo khawana. Like in ka example le ka ntate Obed Molangi is a politician o gila bolela a rena le sefane sa ene a se molangeni ke molakeng.
Okay.
Yeah, the ANC veteran.
Yeah.
Wa bona and I don't know mo tsa gore ke ntate Molangeni and then ke ntate Molangeni. So also it's going to affect us, and then it's going to affect batho kontle. I mean, it must Home Affairs, let's try to rectify the same name tsa batho tse di misspelled, and then let's say lengora a se di original surname tsa bona because of those split the families, the split the generation. We know how sana le mo na o sa itse mo go swang go teng gore where do you belong, where's your roots.
Okay. And then me wena ka reng
nang ka re ke rotloetsa batho gore le ba ile Home Affairs ba misspell sefane sa Home Affairs he motho a bolela gore no sefane sa ka mo ga se N ke M. Please ba ske ba nna arrogant.
Yes.
Let them rectify the mistake.
Yes.
Because ba senyetsa motho o the future, ba senyetsa le the generation.
Yes.
Like for instance, whenever hona le batho ba bang go, and then okra wa mona kwa go he la wa mona le ka khala.
Yeah.
Because of when o bitsa ka khomo o tsaba lo mo approach kwa tlhalogane so ntwe especially kana kwela apartheid
Yes.
and le ba sotho ba bang still ba sa le arrogant motho ha ile mistake a nya go lokisa
Okay.
go re go te potsa rena go right nna ke itseng hone ba nna le ba ka re ke bo ke ngwana ka khomo ha ke se itse le seboko sa khomo he ba raka dia ngwana a tlo reta ngwana mo go mo ga ke reng a batho ba khomo a ke ba itse
Yes.
ha ke na le family ya khomo
Okay. Le ikutlwetse babogedi. And then this is a plea to all the South Africans and to our Home Affairs Department. If we come forward to you asking for help, please assist us. Lona babogedi re le encourage gore e yang ko Home Affairs. A re yang re itlholeng bagaetso. From me Lerato Dipele, Isibongo my surname. Good day. Good evening, South Africa. Welcome to the first episode of Isibongo, my surname. Today, I'm hosting from Tladistad, a village just outside Hammanskraal. My name is Lerato Dipele. This show focuses mostly on surname errors, whereby the inheritance are being forfeited, grants not being issued out, and people struggle because of the surname not being the same or an error spelled on their surname. Today, remotely started a village just outside Hammanskraal where we're going to be meeting Mr. and Mrs. Nkomo. Habata ba re tlhalosetsa phoso e ba kileng ya ba diragalla mo sefaneng sa bona me ya feletsa ya nna se kgoreletse mo dilong tse dintsi tse leng gore ba ne ba di batla. A re tseneng. Dumelang ka mo gae. Age. Le ke mma. Tene kae? Ke nna Lerato Dipele from Isibongo, my surname. Le tsogile?
Re tsile le kae?
Ee, kutlwa go tele re kwaletse re ka tsena. Leina la ka ke Lerato Dipele, ke tswa ke le ko Isibongo my surname. Lebaka la gore be le kwaletse mo showng ya rona e ne e leng a re simolle ka ntate.
Be le o fani ha se fani ya se fani e surega. E surega. Fani e Nkomo. Gore ne ke na ke tsere pasa ka buti ya ka nna kwa ra golwa ne le khomo le leng banyane. Bene ba mtia pasa ka kalenda ka fani ka seboko sa bo ra golwa. Sa as no sfane kaze ba mtia pasa ya a re ke mopedi wa bona. Marine le changane ka ra golwa ka ne le mopedi wa bona. Papa ka ne le mochangane. Ina buti ka nna ko ba ra golwa mtija ka spade pasa spade ba change fani ba se ba ke khomo ba se ba re Nkomo ba re khomo
Gona le gore ba reng Nkomo ba re
khomo ya se nna ke le ke bra ka pitolo sa le moshimane a budile ne la buti go tropo sanje ke tšea pasa ba re tsa mo tša wa eno na le pasa go ne ke na la buti ana go tropo a buti ka tlo ntse pasa a tlo ntse pasa ya re khomo wa bona.
And then ke dikgotlo tse fentse le kopana le tsona ka gore anong di fane ga di tshatlhe di tshwana. Ke mathata a fenga le kopana lona ka gore e ne le Nkomo ya no gona nong ke khomo.
Fanya khomo a se ya rona ntle ke nya ka iswa Nkomo.
O ra gore generation no fela net so. Okay. Ene mma wena gona le dikgotlo tse kopana le tsona.
nna ke na kgwetlho ke lapeng
se siame fela ba itsane le ba lesika
kore mo di-famileng tsa rena ne bo ramogolo bana baka ba butiwa gae ba bitsa ka nkomo rona le bona ba le ba ba tsereng ba sa ka bona re bitsa kgomo
le bitsa kgomo
ya kore two e bitsa kgomo and the other one ba bitsa nkomo
ya mina edi nkomo currently kgomo the challenges le thing akona with regards to my surname it's because bana ba ramolwa mina ba bitana nkomo mina ne bitana kgomo and then ne bana problem most of the time because bana ba mina they don't wanna speak Tsonga. They think or Ebatswana. They don't even try to speak Tsonga, and then it is a problem. So the challenges that we have is because most of the time when we meet as family members and relatives, it's like we are different people. We are not coming from this same man, which is Ngom, because our grandfather Ngom, he had 2 wives. So when we meet as family, it's we don't know each other, and as the generations grow, we now realize that no, this thing actually is not good for us. So our expectation is that we want to make a request to Home Affairs to assist us so that we go back to our original surname, which is Ngom. We will come together and make sure that we rectify the mistake that has been made, so that we are one people and we become Ngomo. And mind you, Ngomo is got a society whereby we meet every month. And sometimes it becomes a problem when we have to write our surname and you find out that I am Ngomo, but they have to write Khomo.
Nakitebogo Khomo, formerly surname ne Nkomo. From grade 1 to grade 4 or standard 4 kana Guarun. Neribita Kankomo. Then when going to my middle school, Kileka Tomo change her surname, Kibita ka Khomo. The reason being hore batswadi ba ka ba ile ba change that surname kapa ba ile ba tsia surname ya ga Khomo. So se ile sa tlisa challenge ya hore ya nong ha ke sa tlhole ke itse hore kwa Khomo or wa kwa Nkomo, then le the certificates tse leng hore ke ntse ke na le tsona, they differ, so didn't get two separate people. And that is one of the challenges from grade 1 to grade 4, left after grade 4. In letaba ya hore yanong ke tshwana kana le batho ba babedi ba different, so I cannot use my certificate. Luckily there are higher certificates after grade 4, so hora hore yanong ke tshwanetse ke continue ka that life. But one other thing ke hore motho a khone go nna as proud ka ena about having the same roots, because now ukare ga o ikitse you are two different people, whether wa Khomo or wa Nkomo. Gona le batho ba ileng hore le gona jwanong ba nkitse ke ya ka ntate Nkomo, and gona le ba ba nkitseng ya ka ntate Khomo. So either way, kinale two identities, and then it is a challenge in life.
This brings us to the end of our episode. I hope we've learned a lot today. And re rotloetsa botlhe mo South Africa gore a re lekeng ka matla otlhe gore re kgone go itse gore re tswa kae, gore le generation e tlang ko morago ga rona re kgone go itse gore e tswa kae e ya kae. You can find us on our Facebook page, and you can also contact us on the following number that is written now on your screen. From me, Lerato Dipele, till next time. Bye.